In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently delete your Whop account. Step by step 2026. Before we begin, a quick heads up. Deleting your Whop account is permanent. Once it's gone, you'll lose access to your profile, history, and any connected services tied to that account. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account and that you're ready to remove it for good. If you use two-factor authentication, keep your authentication method handy, because you may be asked to confirm your identity. Start by signing into your Whop account. Use the usual login page and enter your credentials. Take a moment to confirm you're in the right profile, especially if you manage more than one account or have logged in on a shared device. Once you're in, open Settings. You'll find this by clicking your profile icon, typically at the top right on desktop. On mobile, it may be in the menu. Choose Settings to open the main preferences area where your account controls live. Inside Settings, look for Account Security. This section houses critical controls for passwords, login protections, and account status. Go ahead and open Account Security. If your interface looks a little different, this area might appear simply as Security or be grouped with Privacy, but it will contain the account deletion control we need. Now scroll down until you reach the Danger Zone. This section is usually highlighted or placed at the bottom to signal that the actions here are irreversible. Read the labels carefully so you know exactly what you're about to do. Select Delete Account inside the Danger Zone. This is the option that initiates permanent account removal. Double check that you're selecting Delete rather than options like Lock Out or Disable, since those are not the same as a permanent deletion. Follow the confirmation prompt. Whop may ask you to re-enter your password, complete a two-factor code, or acknowledge that deletion is permanent. You may also be asked to confirm that you understand you'll lose access to your data and any connected services. Proceed through the prompts and confirm the deletion when you're ready. Once confirmed, your account will be permanently removed. In many cases, you'll be signed out immediately, and the account will no longer be accessible. Some systems finalize removal shortly after the request, and you may receive a confirmation notice. If something doesn't look right, follow the on-screen guidance or check the help center for current instructions. That's it. You've successfully deleted your Whop account. Thanks for watching, and take care.